Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can we change our phone display size in our vivo phone. Guys, you want to change guys your display size in your vivo phone, so as you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change display size in our vivo phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, we will have to open guys our phone setting to change display size guys. Then guys scroll it and guys click on display and brightness. Then guys again scroll guys, you can see guys your phone and display size. So guys tap here, guys you can see your display size. So guys you can change guys this standard to large and guys largest size. So we will change into a display largest size in our vivo phone. So as you can see that display size has changed. So like that guys, you can change your display size in your vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change display size in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet our next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.